Is Lake Nona, Florida truly the city of the future?
Let's find out.
Only a few short years ago, Lake Nona was nothing but acres and acres of cow pastures. Today, it stands as one of the fastest growing and most innovative cities in America. Hey everyone, I'm Rob Stack.
And I'm Mark Raumaker. We run one of the top real estate teams here in Central Florida, and today we're talking everything Lake Nona, from schools to jobs to dining and entertainment. Also, we're going to talk about the crazy tech boom here, and of course, we're going to let you know about the brand new self-driving taxis.
Year after year, Lake Nona's landscape continues to evolve as a growing number of businesses relocate their headquarters here. That, coupled with the popularity of Med City, the population just continues to grow, drawing thousands of highly motivated individuals and entrepreneurs to settle into this new dynamic area.
So if you're thinking of moving here, make sure you watch all the way to the end, because we're going to give you everything you need to know about Lake Nona.
Woo! I'm going this way.
I'll go this way. Now, Lake Nona Town Center is the hub of this community, a retail experience with over 4 million square feet of premium dining, shopping, and entertainment. Lake Nona offers a colorful mix for everyone. Think cool art spots like Lake Nona Sculpture Garden or weekly amazing events. They also have top-notch sports facilities, and their trails here are exquisite, perfect for the weekend stroll. Whether you're visiting Orlando or you're local, Lake Nona offers something for everyone.
We're a real estate team, so let's talk real estate. Now, Lake Nona isn't like any other community. It's a fresh face in town with a modern twist. Developers have caught on to the popularity of master planned communities, and they've picked it up a notch. So we're going to find a nice mixture of styles. We're going to see condos, townhomes, single family homes, rear load homes, luxury homes, you name it, we're going to find it here. Yes, there are HOAs here, and if you're new to this, no sweat. And it's really not as daunting as you may think. They're mainly here to protect the aesthetic of the neighborhood. And your fees, they're your ticket to high quality amenities like walking trails, parks, playgrounds, pools, sports courts, you name it. Lake Nona's got a range for everyone's wallet. We got condos starting at $350 all the way up to those uber luxury modern homes hitting the 7 million mark plus.
Now, Lake Nona offers a wide range of housing opportunities, from modern apartments to townhomes to single-family homes that include cottages and bungalows and multi-story. But one thing that Lake Nona has that most neighborhoods don't is they are inundated with new construction homes, because it is one of the fastest growing communities in the United States. So you have builders like Toll Brothers, Pulte, Lennar, MI Homes, Beazer Homes. They're all here. They all planted their flag in the ground because they know that the demand is so high. And those prices go from anywhere between mid 400,000 to all the way to multi-million-dollar homes here in Lake Nona.
Now, in terms of architecture, you're not going to find too many authentic replicas of Victorian, Craftsman, or bungalow style homes. What you will find, and what the builders do offer, is a variety of different elevations that simply nod to these architectural styles. This is Florida, after all. Lake Nona West is a new lifestyle shopping center set to open in 2025 and is just down the way from Lake Nona Town Center. This 450,000 square foot center is expected to have open air shops, live entertainment spaces, dining options, and more. Now, the developers are in talks with several popular national and local brands, and it's expected to break ground sometime in 2024 and bring much needed relief to the residents who are in dire need of additional shopping and dining.
One of the best things about Lake Nona is its accessibility. So we're about 15 minutes away from MCO, which is Orlando's International Airport. So that makes traveling a breeze. We're about 25 minutes away from International Drive. And of course, we're right next to the 417 toll road, which provides access to the 528 Beachline Expressway straight to the beach. And then it also provides access to Florida's Turnpike. So what you really want to know is we're about 25 minutes away from Universal Studios Orlando, and we're about 30 minutes away from Walt Disney World. Ooh, I forgot to mention, there's actually a brand new Brightline station here, so you can go anywhere in Florida, and I've ridden it before, and it's freaking awesome. We're about to show you the self-driving taxi. It's called Beep. It's got about 17 stops here in Lake Nona, and it goes from place to place. The best part is you don't need any money to tip your driver.
No tip required.
Because there's no driver.
A pivotal moment in Lake Nona's development was the establishment of Medical City. Now, this positioned Lake Nona at the forefront of health and technology, and its ripples continue to shape the future of its job growth and economy here in Lake Nona. Big names like Johnson & Johnson, Verizon, UF Health, UCF Health, Nemours, big names like that continue to set up shop here every single day. And big businesses are going to keep on coming to the Lake Nona area. Now, what's really cool is that the United States Tennis Association has set up its shop here in Lake Nona, Florida, and its facility is decked out with over 100 courts, sports. It's hosts numerous matches, and its training programs are world-renowned. It's bringing people from all over the world to train here in Lake Nona, Florida.
And Lake Nona has office buildings popping up all over the community all the time. But one that they're really excited about is the leading aviation training facility, SimCom. Now that is supposed to bring thousands of young aviators into the Lake Nona area, which is really exciting. This kind of growth and expansion just shows that Lake Nona is one of the most innovative and forward-thinking communities in the United States.
Now, we briefly mentioned it, but I want to bring up the Wave Hotel one more time. It's an amazing place, and it's one of Lake Nona's flagship destinations. It's a luxury hotel here, and it's considered to be one of the most technologically advanced hotels in the world. Some of the rooms are outfitted with smart mirrors and smart beds. It's truly incredible. There's two amazing restaurants. One of them, Bacan, is a Michelin star restaurant. There are two very swanky bars. The lobbies are very uniquely decorated. There's an amazing sculpture garden here. It's just a fantastic place to stay if you're looking for maybe a staycation or even just a night out.
Now, when it comes to education, Lake Nona shines bright. Now, these aren't just buildings, they're the nurturing grounds for the next generation. With continually ranking top amongst Florida's best, parents can rest assured that their kids are getting quality education here in Lake Nona. So Lake Nona Performance Club is a state-of-the-art fitness center offering a wide array of facilities. That includes over 150 pieces of equipment, over 100 classes, pools, courts, an indoor track. So many things to offer you. And what's great about it, it's for any fitness level and any age. It also has some of the best tech you'll ever see at a fitness center. Lake Nona locals love the area here because there's so many family activities, and also the population here is so diverse. Now, this is a great place to raise a young family here or live here if you're in the medical field. Homes here are priced a little more than the rest of Orlando, but that's because the planned community keeps it safe and clean, and it only keeps getting better.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for checking out Lake Nona with us. I truly do believe it probably is the city of the future. There's so much going here. We've got technology, we've got innovation, we've got big businesses moving here, we've got an amazing lifestyle, crazy amenities. I really do think that this checks a lot of boxes.
Yeah, so make sure you hit subscribe, hit like on this video. We do a lot of content based in Orlando. This is where we live. This is where we help people buy and sell homes. So hit that like, subscribe for all the videos to come soon. And if you are looking to move to the Orlando area or move in the Orlando area, make sure you reach out to us. All our contact is below. And hey, we'll see you on the next one, guys.